it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another Scraps to Embellishment video. And today's theme is Give Thanks, so anything to do with Thanksgiving. So as you can see, I have this super cute little turkey. This is from a file from Marjorie and Designs. I will link it in the description box below. And this one is really simple. I have already done some prep work. I have inked my feather part. And this comes in 3 different layers. So, of course, I cut it out of 3 different colors. And then all I did was I ran it through my embosser, an embossing folder, to give it a pattern on it. Just to give it a little something extra, since it does have to be flat, because this is a mini swap on Ginger's Corner. And then this is all the pieces for it. Actually, there was 2 other little pieces for the nose that I decided not to add. They were so small. But we're just going to put it together. I have it laid out in the order that you need to add pieces. There is a method to the madness for some of these pieces. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to add the wings. Just going to kind of line it up so that it flows with the body. Here's this one. Alright, and then we're going to add the face. Actually, we're going to add this to this. And you're not going to glue all the way down, because some of it's going to be hanging off. And we're going to put the face on. That's the nice thing about Marjorie and Designs files, is that they have a base, so it makes it easier to line all the pieces up and know where they're supposed to go. And a little bit of glue, and put the feet on. Okay, and then the next thing is these little ruffles on the leg. They're leg feathers. So I'm going to put those on. I feel like it's on the wrong side. Yep, it is. I use textured cardstock, so I can kind of see which side is textured and which one ain't. Okay, then you're going to press those down. And then you're going to put the belly on, which is going to cover up that ugly part. Pressing it down good. Now, I would use foam for some of this, foam tape. If this was like a main swap, I would also make it bigger. But since this needs to fit, be flat and fit in the standard business envelope, I just keep it flat, and that's why I use the embossing folder, to give it some texture without adding bulk. Okay, and then that's his neck. And then you add the beak. And I definitely would have used foam on the beak, because I like to pop up their nose. And then we have the eyeballs. And then just going to put a Louis dot to put the black part of the eyes. Sticking on my pencil. And I get questions about this. This is just a little wax pickup pencil from Close to My Heart. There's lots of different companies that make these that you can find out there, and they're really inexpensive. And I've had this one for, I know, well over a year. I actually won it, and it's still working great. So then I'm going to put his little gobbler on here. Ain't he cute? And he's cute, just like that. Like, he's still super cute, just like that. But y'all know I like to do all the little extra, add the little pen work. So, I just took my black pen and just drew him some eyebrows. I didn't do eyelashes this time around. I figured it was just too much. I might have been known a time or two to go too far on embellishing. But that's just my style. That's who I am. And then I'm not gonna hit every little note. I'm just do his hair. Just add some little highlights here and there. His eyeballs. You know he's getting freckles. It don't matter that he's a turkey. He has to have the freckles. Any critter I make gets freckles. And then I'm just drawing in some lines. And my pen's not writing 100%. That's because I'm doing it so lightly so that it doesn't. Because I don't want really bold, dark lines. And that is the turkey. So, if you are interested in winning one of these, all you have to do is leave me a comment below, and you will be entered to win. So, go over and check out what everyone else created for this swap this week. Sign-ups do start tomorrow. And until next time, bye, y'all.